Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games not sending verification code. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Epic Games login page, enter your email address, and click on Send Code. After that, open your email app and refresh your inbox. Make sure to also check your spam, junk, and promotions folders, since verification emails can sometimes end up there instead of the main inbox. If you still don't see the email, return to the Epic Games login page and carefully check that your email address was typed correctly. Correct any spelling mistakes if needed. Then press Send Code again. After resending the code, refresh your inbox once more and stay on the login page while waiting for the email to arrive. If the verification code still doesn't appear, restart your device and try the process again. In some cases, switching to another email address linked to your Epic Games account may help. If none of these solutions work, the final step is to contact Epic Games support for additional help with your account verification issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Epic Games not sending verification code. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.